Hey everybody, it's Jester from Jester's Games, and here we are. I believe today is day 17 of my having quit smoking and substituting my habit with a pack-a-day Magic the Gathering habit. So we're going to go ahead and open up another pack of Core 2019. Let me get that out. And remember, I am a returning collector to the game, so I do look at commons. Life is too short to neglect commons, so we'll be looking at everything here. Let me go ahead. All right, let's get this open and see what day 17 has in store for us here, shall we? All right, zoom in a little closer. All right, okay, here we go. What is it? Oniki? Oniki Ogre? I think that's the first one that I have of that common. Inspired Charge. Duress. Plummet. Gearsmith Guardian. Havoc Devils. Invoke the Divine. Skeleton Archer. Thornhide Wolves. Pegasus Courser. Rise from the Grave is our first uncommon. Heroic Reinforcements. And Hieromancer's Cage, last uncommon. All right, let's see what we get in the next slot. Oh, nice. I think that's a mythic. Liliana, Untouched by Death. All right. I was unaware that they did another Liliana Planeswalker in Core 2019. Nice. And a Plains and an emblem. All right. Vivian. Cool. All right. Well, wish me luck, everyone. I am doing really well. Things are actually getting easier. I'm not struggling nearly so much. I'm thinking about doing something a little special for day 30 or day 31, somewhere thereabouts, but you'll just have to keep coming back to see what that is if I do it. All right, so wish me luck. Hope to see you tomorrow.